He said that you get a PRD and there are often during the release changes to it. How can that be? 35% of all requirements change during the average project. I'll tell you where this comes from. This comes out of Waterfall, 25 years of Waterfall, okay, where you're the marketing department, the product management department, the customer, and we're engineering. And we're going to take whatever you tell us to do, and we're going to lay out an architecture for it, an infrastructure, detailed design. We're going to actually write code, all that stuff. And if you change your mind, and we're down here, it's going to have a huge impact. The statistic is if you change your mind in the start of a project, it's $1. That same change, 70% of the way through the project will cost $100. So we stand you up against a wall and we grab you, we want, say, tell us everything you want in this release, everything, because it's going to make you really incredibly pained if you change your mind. So you go home, you talk to your friends, you talk to your cat, you think of everything you could possibly think of, and you put it in the PRD. It doesn't matter that it's not very useful. You just know that if you don't put it, it's going to be horribly painful. So we've trained you to spit it all out. Thank you. So one, he's given us tons of stuff to do that doesn't have much marketplace value because we told him, tell us everything. The second thing is we've made you fearful of changing your mind. Right? Now, if we let you have, instead of a PRD, we give you a list of things that you want in the release, and we just say, just list it. Like use cases or user stories or things with some details, but prioritize it. Prioritize it so the things that you really want are at the top, the things you could care less about are at the bottom. And this can be as long a list as you want. And what we're going to let you do then is, if this is your date, based on our velocity, you can choose what stuff will be in the release since we're delivering it increment by increment by increment. You can select and add it up piece by piece by piece so you get the highest value stuff. And you can change this. You can put new things in, remove old things. This is your shopping list. We are just engineers that will build this. So analogy is we're like a Ferrari. You're the driver. You can get in us and drive us over a cliff. Not good. Into a cliff, even worse. In circles, kind of dumb. To a place where everyone is enjoying where they are and it's a good thing to do. That's a good product manager. So we give them the responsibility of driving us sprint by sprint by sprint to something that gives the highest value.